Sade.
I'm Taylor, and we are
The Fashion Heauxs.
We are a fashion channel brought to you guys, with all of us. We all got different styles and stuff. And we're going to be doing a lot with this channel, like outfits of the week. We're going to be doing a lot of fashion content on what's hot and fashion.
We're going to also be doing aesthetic breakdowns, where we're going to basically break down certain elements in different people's outfits and whatnot, how they coordinated it, how they, match with colors, how they said, all right, let me add some jewelry, let me add some different accessories and whatnot. So yeah.
We're also going to do some upcycling for y'all, which is basically taking a garment and completely deconstructing it and turning it into something totally different. So look out for that.
We'll also be going to different places and reviewing fashion things that we see, like museums, shows. We'll be doing outfits of the week. So we'll take pictures of some really nice outfits we see, upload them for you guys, explain why we like them, things like that.
We'll also be bringing you guys some cool lookbooks, which is going to be, styled by each of us. We'll get each of our own kind of styles. We all bring something a little different to the table. You feel me? Or something else. You feel me? We're going to talk about now how we all kind of met. So I'll go first. I didn't meet Phil or Taylor until we had a class, because we all go to the same school. We all go to Georgia Southern University, Eagles, all that shit, But yeah, we met in class, and then ever since then we've been pretty cool. I knew Sade because me and Sade had a couple classes before, but we never really talked like that. He was off in the skirts, you feel me? So we actually, we all here now, we all gang.
So I met Taylor my freshman year, met her in US 1101.
Yeah. That was a struggle.
It was a struggle. Yeah. We go to the way back. See, freshman year, 2016.
Yeah.
We was probably 5 black kids up in there, and she was one of the few. And I was like, hey. Yeah.
Basically, we had a class every semester.
Every semester. So me and her, we go way back. I met Sade last semester at Harold. Harold 2. Yeah. Harold 2. Also alongside Tristan. I've seen both of them around. Especially Tristan over here. He can't miss this fly dude over here. Yeah. So and ever since then we've been real cool. So yeah.
I met every one of y'all in that class. Didn't I?
Yeah, just about.
Yes, because I saw y'all and I was like, these niggas is cool. I gotta be their friend. So that's what I did. I made it happen.
Hey,
I'm gonna go ahead and correct Klyde.
Huh?
Definitely met Klyde
yeah.
through Nyla, which is another one of our friends. But everybody else I met in class, so.
I saw you with that fashion. That was the first time I legit saw you. And after that, I was like, oh,
I
shit,
don't
my
know.
class.
Wait, I thought, did I know you before the fashion? Who knows?
Alright, you guys, so this is the video. Hope you got some joy, each and all of us.
Be on the lookout. We're cool people, so you should definitely subscribe to us. Because why would you want to do that?
Hit the subscribe.
Always subscribe.
That little bell that's down there, click that too, so you get all the notifications when we drop our new video. It'll be right there.
Every Friday.
Hashtag Fashion Fridays, you can check into it.
Next video coming out will be a spring lookbook.
So I can get that drip break for spring break.
Definitely.